Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman and Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law issues here in Michigan. And today we're going to continue our video series designed to educate and inform the public. So please subscribe to our channel. I want to discuss today the legal implications of fault or adultery, more specifically, in divorce and custody proceedings. Now, you could talk about it from legal perspectives or perspectives that have to do with how the court evaluates things. Let's understand one thing. From a legal perspective, in terms of getting the divorce, the fact that somebody may be at fault for the breakdown of the marriage isn't really that important in Michigan when we're in an environment where it's a no-fault divorce state. Because you don't have to prove the reason why you're seeking a divorce, the reason becomes irrelevant to getting the divorce. So somebody being a horrible adulterer or something like that isn't going to change whether or not you get your divorce. You're going to be able to get it anyway. But what it could impact, and what the court is still able to take into account, is how that's going to affect custody, how it might affect property division. So understand the line that I just drew. The adultery or the fault won't affect one's ability, positive or negative, to get the divorce. Put that aside though. But it could affect decisions regarding the details of how we divide the property, how we divide up the custody. So for example, let's talk about custody. One of the custody factors is the moral fitness of the parties. If the court finds that the wife had serial affairs throughout the marriage, the court may call into question the moral fitness of that wife to be a custodial mom. And therefore, the custody may sway or lean toward the dad. Now, let's talk about division of assets. Normally, effort is made to make a fair division. Equitable division doesn't mean equal. It could mean something that's fair, but not necessarily equal. Well, the court has the ability to look at fault and say, you know what? In light of all the trauma that he caused her, in light of all the difficulties that she caused him, however the court works it out, the court can say a fair division of assets is not a 50-50. It's 45-55. It's 60-40. The court has the ability to do that. I will tell you, just as an aside, that even when the court makes that decision, the court very rarely does more than like a 60-40. Even that is really hard, as 55-45. You're not going to routinely see 80-20, 90-10 because somebody had an affair. That's just not how the court views it. The court will take it into account. The court will take into account what was going on in the relationship and whether that affair proximately caused the breakup of an otherwise healthy marriage, or whether it was more the symptom of a bad marriage. So these are all factors, obviously very case specific. If you have any questions about your case, reach out and we'll be glad to help you out.